Hello and welcome. Good morning or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching. My name is Daniela and I'm the Patient Engagement Lead for the East of England Neurosurgery Network. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today, I'd like to share a short overview of what the Patient Community Voice Group is and how it fits into the wider work of our neurosurgery network here in the East of England. So let's dive in. The East of England Neurosurgery Network is a collaborative group of professionals working across the region. Our shared aim is to improve the quality of care, enhance patient experience, and reduce inequalities in how people access and experience neurosurgical services. A key part of achieving this is ensuring that patients and those close to them are part of the conversation. That's why we have created a dedicated work stream, and we call it the Patient Community Voice. So we have covered these elements. So we are the East of England Neurosurgery Network, and I was just saying that our group is called Patient Community Voice, and my name is Daniela. So our approach is based on co-production, which means working together, professionals and patients side by side. We often describe our model as a pyramid. At the base are the individual stories and lived experiences that people bring. These are incredibly valuable. They help us understand what matters most and where there's room for improvement. From there, we look for themes and patterns, things that come up again and again. This work is done in partnership with patients, helping to identify these key priorities. Then comes the co-design phase, where patients and professionals collaborate to develop practical solutions that can lead to real, lasting change. We've built flexibility in how people can get involved, so you can choose what works for you best. We have the patient community voice as the center of what we do. And we have a patient community advisory group where patient representatives can join the neurosurgery network board meetings, for example. But we also have the patient community partnership, which uses an approach called experience-based co-design to help patients and professionals work together on key topics. You can also take part in patient community circles, which are smaller focus groups that look at specific issues that patients have raised. We're currently working on a questionnaire co-designed by patients for patients to gather experiences from across the region. And we would like to include as many individuals on this project as possible. We also include existing feedback from hospital surveys or charity reports and other sources. So we bring in as many perspectives as possible. The outcomes we're aiming for are three. First, to build a genuine ongoing dialogue with people who've used neurosurgical services. Second, to identify and implement quality improvement that makes difference. And third, to create models of best practice that lead to lasting change. And here comes the end. If you have an interest, if you want to be part in what we do, or just learning more, getting involved, just ask questions. Please feel free to email us using this email address, eoe.nn@nhs.net, or you can scan the QR code that is showing here. And these will bring you straight to an expression of interest form where if you share your details, we can get in touch with you. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.